Meaning of eating disorder.
Eating disorder.
Eating disorder.
Eating disorder.
Eating disorder. Eating disorders are serious mental health conditions characterized by abnormal eating habits that negatively impact a person's physical and mental well-being. They can manifest in various ways, including excessive or restricted food intake, binge eating, purging, or compulsive exercise. Eating disorders can cause significant health problems such as malnutrition, electrolyte imbalances, organ damage, and psychological distress. Without proper treatment, they can lead to severe complications, including death. Early intervention and seeking professional help are crucial in managing and recovering from eating disorders.